Hi boys and girls, here we are in my actual art room. This is my room and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. I'm going to record a video for you. We're going to be making a piece of 3D artwork. What that means, 3D, it means three-dimensional. It means that your artwork will pop off your paper. It is not flat. You can touch it from all sides. So this is a flat piece of paper. This is called 2D. A flat piece of paper. There's only two sides. 2D, two-dimensional. But we're going to make artwork that is 3D, three-dimensional. And we're going to be able to touch it from all the sides. So I'm going to show you how. We're going to use glue sticks today. If you've never used a glue stick before, I'm going to show you how to open and close it. It's really important. So you're going to grab the glue stick and you're going to pull on the orange cap or whatever color your cap is really hard. So we're going to pull and we're going to set the cap down, okay? We don't want to twist our glue all the way up. We only want it right at the edge. So we shouldn't see this. What's going to happen if you do this is your glue will squish out everywhere and then you're going to run out of glue and we won't have any more. So we're going to twist it down, a little teeny tiny bit showing, little teeny tiny bit. So we're going to get a black piece of paper and we're going to get a bunch of paper strips. And you can use all of these or some of these. You do not have to use all of them. What we're going to do is we want to put feet on our paper. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We want to be able to bend and glue our paper so it sticks. So each side needs a foot. So all we do is take our paper and bend it under. Like a little letter L. It's like a foot. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other end. Bend and add a foot. So you can see I've got two little feet there. He's a fast runner. Okay, and you can bend the feet in either direction. Like they can go outward or inward, it doesn't matter. Your choice. Once we have them bent, we're gonna put glue on both of our feet. So I'm going to use the glue stick. I like to touch my foot to my glue stick. So I just stick it to it and pull, and I get a little tiny bit of glue on there, and that's all I need. So I'm gonna stick this anywhere I want. Now, when I glue down my next foot, I can glue my feet really far apart. I can glue them super close together. I can twist my feet and glue them somewhere strange. It's my choice. But notice, this foot is glued down. It's a good idea a lot to really hold your foot there for a while. Give it a few seconds. Maybe count to 5 or 10. In your head though, because if you count out loud, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you might be bugging the neighbor who's trying to count also. So if you count inside your head, you won't confuse your neighbors. Okay, so I'm going to put glue on the bottom of this foot. Boop. And I'm going to choose where I want it. I think I'm going to make it go far away. And I'm going to hold, count to 10 in my head, and move on. Now, if I want to put feet on all my strips at once, I can grab all my paper strips. There, I got them all. And I can just bend all at once. Boop. There's all my little feet. Boop. There's all my little feet. You don't have to do that, but you can. That's your choice. Just easier. Now, you could also do different arches. Like this is just a regular arch. And now it's 3D. You can touch it from all sides. If you want to try zigzags, a zigzag fold is up and down and up and down and up and down on your paper like this. But this is kind of hard. So if you try a zigzag and you're like, I can't get it, you can just crinkle your paper. Just crinkle it up. Ta-da! And then, same thing. There's no right or wrong here. You can't mess it up. We put glue on the foot, doop, Stick it down where we want. Glue on the next foot. Boop. Stick it down where we want. Oh, how about, I don't know, way over here. Hold it and count to 10. So here's what I got so far. And I'm just gonna keep going. Glue. And decide, do I want my arches on top of each other? Do I want my arch to go underneath? Let me try underneath. There, I got my arch underneath. And I can go over top. That's called overlapping. Let's do one that's overlapping. Glue that guy down. This guy down way over here. And now I've got a green arch that's overlapping my red arch. Pretty cool. So I'm going to keep going until I use all my strips. And you get to take this home today. Pretty cool.